Welcome to Learner's Room. Hello kids. Today, we are going to learn how to add two numbers together. Let's start with something fun, flowers. I have two flowers here. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Now, I have 3 more flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's cut all the flowers together. How many flowers do we have in total? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, when we add 2 flowers and 3 more flowers, we get 5 flowers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job! Now that you understand how to add with flowers, let's try it with something else. Balls. I have 4 balls here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have 5 more balls. Let's count these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's cut all the balls together now. How many balls do we have in total? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, when we add 4 balls and 5 more balls, we get 9 balls. Now, let's try to add these numbers. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Good job! You see, adding is just about putting things together and counting them all. You're doing awesome! Let's try another example. This time with some pigs. I have 6 little pigs here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I have 4 more pigs. Let's count these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put all the pigs together. How many pigs do we have in total? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, when we add 6 pigs and 4 more pigs, we get 10 pigs. 6 plus 4 equals 10. See how adding works with everything? You're all doing so well. Let's try one more super fun example. Who's ready for some cute little bunnies? Let me see those smiles. Look at these adorable bunnies. I have 6 here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cute, right? And I've got 6 more bunnies hopping in to join the fun. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's gather all our bunnies together and count how many we have in total. This is going to be awesome. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bunnies. Isn't that the best? Yes. So, when we add 6 bunnies and 6 more bunnies, we get 12 bunnies. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Woohoo! You see how much fun adding can be. Whether it's flowers, balls, pigs, or bunnies, adding is all about putting things together and counting them. You all did an amazing job today. Give yourselves a big round of applause.